Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to take your stage, DJ setup, or party lighting to the next level, today's product is definitely worth checking out. Meet the UKing 4PCS 6x18W RGBWA+UV wireless LED par light kit, a professional lighting solution designed to create vibrant and dynamic lighting effects for any event. Right now, it's available for just $322.82, down from $1,102.53, giving you an incredible 70% discount. This package includes 4 LED par lights along with a convenient carrying bag, making it easy to transport and set up for weddings, concerts, parties, clubs, karaoke events, or live performances. Each light features 6 powerful 18-watt 6-in-1 LED beads, combining red, green, blue, white, amber, and UV LEDs. This combination produces millions of vivid color possibilities along with eye-catching ultraviolet lighting effects. You have multiple ways to control the lights. They support DMX 512, wireless Wi-Fi control, remote control, sound-activated mode, automatic programs, and master-slave synchronization, giving you the flexibility to create the perfect lighting setup for any event. With support for both 6-channel and 10-channel DMX modes, these lights are suitable for beginners as well as professional lighting technicians. The lights are compatible with a wide 90 to 240 volt power range, making them suitable for use in many different regions around the world. Whether you're lighting up a stage performance, DJ booth, church event, nightclub, wedding, or home party, these fixtures deliver bright, colorful lighting with plenty of creative control. Overall, if you're looking for a complete professional LED stage lighting package at a great price, the UKing 4PCS RGBWA+UV par light kit is definitely worth considering. If you're interested, click the link in the description below to buy and check the latest price. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews, audio equipment, lighting gear, and smart gadgets.